Hello. This is a demo of my new generator. Basically, it's a motor from a washing machine. It outputs three-phase AC, and I have a rectifier that rectifies it to just DC. So we have a meter right here, and I'm going to spin. See, it's already like 4 volts. There, as you can see that I'm connecting these two wires to this fan, a 12-volt fan. So when you spin it, starts turning. And I'm not even turning that hard. I'm just turning like, and the fan's already working. But it's not. But if you spin a lot harder, I'm gonna show. See? There we go. So if you read from the meter, I have to spin like this for now. It's like 15, but if you turn it very hard, let's see what's happening. Let's see what happens. 16, 14, 23. See, the fan works. Plus, turn on the maximum, and then boom, there you go. See? And we can also measure the current. Wow, look at that, 1 amp. Not bad, 2 amps. Not bad at all. It can also create sparks when you short them, but I don't want to do it. Anyway, yep, thank you so much for watching. It's pretty cool. Recommend you try it out. I found this on Shopee, and